So you might be having touchscreen problems on your Android 17 device, meaning you're trying to go through and you're using your device, but since you've updated to Android 17, you're just getting some random problems via the touchscreen. Now, number one, the first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking out for and watching out for is your updates. So if you just updated, it might be a developer beta, it might be some sort of beta. Go through and just make sure that you've actually updated to the official version. So click open your settings just like this. And then what you're going to want to do is swipe down until you find a little option that says system or your software update panel. Find your software updates and you want to go ahead and make sure you're updated. Most of the time, this is going to be one of the big problems you might run into here. So just to make sure that your system update that you've actually updated completely, that can be another way to fix this problem. Now, if that's not working, another thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just restart your phone. So go through, hold the buttons you normally would to restart your phone, find that restart button, go ahead and restart it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Which again, for a lot of people, something as simple as that can probably end up fixing the problem for you. Now, sometimes it can be a situation where your device can probably run into some problems where for some reason the screen is actually messed up. So if that's the case, then you're going to have to basically go through and just make sure that your particular screen isn't actually a problem or it doesn't have a problem there. And you might have to go through and just make sure that your device's situation in terms of the screen itself and the hardware doesn't have any problems. You might have to send it into Google for have them to have them fix it. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.